Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python is known for its simplicity and readability. The term Pythonic is often used to describe code that follows Python's conventions and best practices, making it clean, efficient, and easy to understand. If you're a beginner wondering if your code is Pythonic, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll explore what makes code Pythonic and provide examples to help you write more Pythonic code. Pythonic code is code that adheres to the Python community's style and idiomatic conventions. Writing Pythonic code not only makes your code more readable but also helps you take full advantage of Python's features and libraries. Here are some characteristics of Pythonic code. Readability: Python code should be easy to read and understand. Use meaningful variable and function names, and follow the PEP 8 style guide for formatting. Use of built-in functions: Python provides a rich set of built-in functions and libraries. Pythonic code leverages these whenever possible, reducing the need to reinvent the wheel. List comprehensions: use list comprehensions to create new lists by applying an expression to each item in an existing iterable. This is more concise and readable than traditional for loops. Avoiding unnecessary complexity: keep your code simple and straightforward. Avoid overly complex constructs and unnecessary nested structures. Duck typing: Python is dynamically typed, so focus on whether an object can perform a required action, not on its class or type. Pythonic iteration: use for loops and iterators when looping through sequences like lists and dictionaries. Avoid using indexing unless necessary. Exception handling: use exceptions to handle exceptional cases, not for regular flow control. Context managers: utilize context managers, such as the with statement, for resource management. Now, let's dive into some code examples to illustrate these concepts. Non-Pythonic. Pythonic. Non-Pythonic. Pythonic. Non-Pythonic. Pythonic. Non-Pythonic. Pythonic. Writing Pythonic code is a journey that takes time and practice. The key is to keep learning and seeking feedback from experienced Python developers. By following Python conventions and best practices, your code will become more readable, maintainable, and efficient. Remember that Pythonic code is not just about following rules, it's about writing code that makes sense in the Python ecosystem. Happy coding! ChatGPT